So hello everyone. So in this session, we are going to cover how to perform API testing through the Playwright, and here we are going to cover how to perform the assertion for the when we get the API response code as 401. 401 means stands for unauthorized request. So here you can see we are using the API API fixture as a request in the Playwright. So request is a fixture in the Playwright. Through that we can perform the API testing, and here we are using the post as a method. So you can see the post we are posting the request. This is the API response code, sorry, API URL, and this is the endpoints of the URL, and here passing the data as email, but we are not passing the password. So if you know that we do not provide the password, so we are not authorized to use that API. So it will give you the response code as 401. So for this 401 API response code, we are going to perform the assertion through the Playwright. So let's see how we can do the assertion. So here you using expect, you can see the API response code. API response, what response we are getting here is this API response status. You can see status to be 401. So what we are expecting 401 as a response code. So you can see now the next step is expect expect response text. What status text is? To be unauthorized. So what we are expecting status text to be unauthorized. So this is how it is. And also sorry, spelling mistake. Okay, now let us run our code. Let us run our code and see whether this assertion are working fine or not. You can see our test case got passed, but we want to see exactly what exact response code we are getting. So we want to print console.log, console.log. We want to print response status, similar lines. Let us print the what the response code we are getting. Let us run our test case again and see. So you can see our test case execution has been started. So you can see we are getting the unauthorized 401, and you can see all three browsers we are run our test cases 401 we are getting an unauthorized as a response code. So you can see this. So I what exactly we did, assertion. So if you like this video, please click the like button, or and if you want the similar kind of videos for the Playwright, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.